uh, whenever you have a patient like this with a rotated tooth, then first step is we need to create the space. Otherwise, how will this tooth derotate? So what we did, we bonded ideally 14 niti, 16 niti, open coil spring between this central incisor and this lateral incisor. And what happens is space is created by the distal movement of the canine and slight forward movement of the incisors. We could get the sufficient space. Then we bonded the bracket, we bonded a button, created a couple, two forces in equal and opposite directions, derotate the tooth. Then we go to 16 SS and start with canine retraction.
So just with niti wire,
Yes.
suppose if it's not that much cross,
Yes,
slightly,
yes.
so with niti wire only it get rotated. Huh?
See, the best part
Is there
is
any decision?
you put 14 niti.
Yes, sir. And
You call the patient after 1 month.
yeah,
If the rotation has got corrected,
then
that is fine.
Yeah.
But if the rotation is not getting corrected,
Better.
then the couple has to be given.
Yes.
Now, couple is the most effective, most efficient manner of derotating a rotated tooth.
Yes.
And couple will always require one lingual attachment, one labial attachment, and then two forces in the opposite direction. If you apply only one force, then there will be some rotation correction, but some bodily movement in that direction, and total rotation correction will not take place or will take extra time. But if you add a lingual attachment and then do the derotation, the derotation will be very much faster. So that is the advantage of doing a lingual button. On the lingual button, you side when you are doing the attachment, I showed you the lingual button. We can do the composite button, and we can use any spare bracket also, because the arch wire is not going to go into that button. That is only as a means to attach the elastic chain. So it is not going to have any tip, torque, in, out, offset incorporated into that. Only we need is one place from where we can apply the force. Okay? So that is it.
Same patient also, not this one.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
What
show
is that?
the photos.
Hmm?
What photos I want to see.
It's really appreciable. Space opening was
अजय बंद कर दो.